Hi, this is Ted Simpson, Certified Bob Ross Instructor, and I'd like to show you all the different techniques that you can use with this small palette knife from the Bob Ross Basic set. First, we can use a small roll of paint and just scrape the knife across the canvas, giving the impression of little stringy clouds. Using the flat of the blade, we can soften those clouds as much as desired. Then we start on the mountains. We use a small roll of paint to scrape in just the basic shape of the mountain, creating the outside border. Once the entire shape of the mountain has been blended out, we use the knife to layer in little pathways of highlights, going down one side of each of the peaks that we create. We add as many as necessary to create the effect that we're going for. I then add the shadow side of the mountain to create the three-dimensional effect. We use the knife to create water lines, either those that are far away or right up close. And of course, we use the knife to create amazing tree effects, like this birch bark and other types of bark. And that's some of the ways that you can use the palette knife from the Bob Ross Basic set. Thank you for watching.